creators, before we get started on decorating this tree, I've got to tell you about this cute outfit that I bought at Walmart for only $19.99. It's black velvet. You see it's a reindeer outfit. It's so cute for the holiday season. This is a headband that I bought also. I think I paid maybe $1.99. It's nothing but ornaments on top, a headband, and it goes with this outfit perfectly. I love the fit. I even bought this little red shirt from Walmart as well, either $4.99, but I just love this together. You can wear this to your holiday parties. You can also, if you just want to wear it for doing one of these videos, going Christmas caroling, I love it. It is a perfect fit. So ladies, if you're plus size, they have it for us too. Look at this band in the back. It's so comfy. There's no zippers, no buttons. You just kind of pull it on and get into it. I love the fit. I love the look. It has pockets and it is comfortable. Now let's get to the video. Here are my ornaments and ribbons that came from Big Lots. They had a great assortment. I was a little late picking up. Now this set here came from At Home. I ordered them online and then I picked them up at the store. They had just about everything that I ordered except maybe 2 or 3 of the items. I was really impressed. Now I only picked up a few items from the Dollar Tree, but yet I was still pleased. These here are just a few more from At Home. I love these stars. I will be showing you more once I start to decorate. This is the ribbon that came from Big Lots, and I just worked this red ribbon and the white fur ribbon, and then I even bought some silver tone ribbon that I worked in and out the tree. This pop of red on this tree does everything for me. So I'm decorating. I'm slowly adding things. It really took me all day to decorate the tree. I started in the morning before I went to work, and then once I got off work, I came home just to finish up. Now, these silver poinsettias, they didn't have any more clips, so what I did, I just bought 2 bundles and then I cut the tops off so I could put them into the tree. They work fine. If you wanted to add clips, you could, but if you cut the stem long enough, they stick into your tree perfectly. Let's listen to some music as I decorate. let's turn the lights on. Let's see what it looks like. I'm very proud. I love this tree. One reason I was sort of looking around, trying to figure out where to put more ornaments. This tree is full. I had probably about 60 ornaments left over. I might go back in, but so far, I really like the way this tree looks. I'm proud of it. I'm very pleased. It's given me everything that I was looking for. So what do you think? Do you think it was worth the price? Only $249? Go to kingofchristmas.com. You will not be disappointed. Check them out. You'll love it. Tell them Miss Kaye sent you. Thank you so much. Be safe during this holiday season. Be kind. Love yourself, and don't forget to love others. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.